Hey, this is AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems. I've got Jim Steinmark here. Jim Steinmark is new to the SoftWash revolution. He is with Patriot SoftWash, and you're servicing the Dallas-Fort Worth area, right?
That's correct.
That's awesome. That's awesome. He's our new guy in Dallas-Fort Worth, and you are also, too, a veteran-owned company.
That's right.
You can see it right here on his wrap. And Jim, he trusted us to go ahead and put together this beautiful crew cab. Holy smokes, this thing has its own zip code. Crew cab, long bed, Dodge pickup truck, and this truck comes direct to Jim from Enterprise Fleet Leasing, one of our new partners. Makes these types of rigs possible with their great leasing programs, their great maintenance programs, their fuel card programs, all the things that they have to take care of us here at the SoftWash Revolution. And it's funny, it's called the SoftWash Revolution, and you're Patriot SoftWash. That's very, very cool.
Yeah.
So, beautiful wrap here. Our creative services team helped you out with this, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, and Yana and Enoch just knocked it out of the park as usual. Just a great wrap here. Hey man, thank you so much for trusting us with this build and helping you join the SoftWash revolution with SoftWash Systems.
Thank you, AC.
All right, awesome. I'm gonna do a little walk around on your truck here.
Awesome, thank you.
Thanks. So again, as I mentioned here, this is a Dodge crew cab, or it's actually Ram now, they call them Rams. Ram crew cab, long bed, 8-foot bed. We went ahead and put in our typical 72-inch XL skid, but also too, Jim wanted to go ahead and have 100 gallons of bleach capacity, 100 gallons of water capacity. That left us with not enough room to go ahead and put our Phantom Shadow RODI 80 unit in here. It's our automatic unit, but we went ahead and mounted that to the pickup bed right here behind. So not only does this system have our A, B, C, and D slots on it, but we kind of made up an E here for our Phantom RODI pure water window cleaning unit here. It's an automatic unit, works with a hockey puck style remote that Jim will wear around his neck that communicates between his phone and communicates with the actual system here up to 700 feet away. And then here in the D and the C position here, we have our Rinse DC Plus unit. And the Rinse DC Plus unit here has a 100-gallon raw water capacity underneath it. Right next to it here, mounted in the B position, we have our 5-gallon a minute belt-driven electric start. It's about a 5-gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI machine. It's mounted atop of our bleach tank, but it's utilizing the 100-gallon buffers of raw water here. So these two systems are sharing that raw water. In the A position right here, we have our SoftWash Systems. This is our actual blend 3D unit. We call it the 3D unit because it has 3 metering valves on it, as well as flow control valves for your hose reel, for your water tank, for your bleach tank here to feed the unit. All of this is together sharing this space here, almost 8 foot of space in the back of this truck. Up above here, you'll see our flat surface cleaner rack with the flat surface cleaner in it. Good storage up there on the ladder rack above the truck. Come to the back here, let's go ahead and show you the back end of this truck. You'll notice here, as always, we use the Titan aluminum and stainless steel reels. On this side, we have 2 18-inch electric hose reels, and then we have 2 12-inch electric hose reels. The 18-inch, we have here the soft washing reel, which has half-inch clear braid hose, 300 feet on an 18-inch reel. Below it, we have the actual Rinse DC hose that's 5/8 hose clear braid, just a little less than 300. We have to trim just a little bit off to get it all on the reel. We have reel guides here, so as you pull out the hoses, you can go around the corner that way off the truck or around the corner this way off the truck, and the hoses just roll on these beautiful rollers here, okay, on all 4 reels. Over here, we have our power washing hose reel with about 200 feet of non-marking 3/8 pressure washing hose. And then below it, we have our pure water window cleaning reel, which is 300 feet of 3/8 clear braid hose. Okay? All these are electric hose reels. All of them have the hose reel guides on them. You ask yourself, hey, if everything is DC powered except the pressure washer, how do you power all of that stuff? Well, this is how. On all of our systems, we recollect the kinetic energy that the gas-powered engine is making driving down the road and charges the actual starting battery. We reharness that and we bring that back to a DC charging system back here that charges a bank of 4 Group 24 batteries. These 4 Group 24 batteries give you enough capacity to do more than a full day's work, to be able to power the electric hose reels, be able to power the Blend 3D, the Rinse DC, the Shadow Pure Water Unit, everything that's on here, any lighting that we might have, any cooling fans we might have, all of that DC equipment is powered right here by energy the truck is creating anyway, which is very, very cool. Then as you come around this side of the truck here, you'll notice that we have our saddle tanks. And these saddle tanks are for deployment of our concentrated soaps. They're able to go ahead and add water in here, add the concentrated soap, fill these up for the week. Your service manager can go ahead and fill them. The employees don't have to remember or worry about filling up these tanks. And here in the A position, we have our green wash, and the B position, our green wash, terra wash, rain fresh, cocktail, which we call our Trinity mix. Here we have our plant wash, which is actually part of the Rinse DC module there. And we have a plant wash controller on the front to feed the plant wash through the Rinse DC so we can neutralize all the plants after a cleaning. And here we have the final wash tank, which is our bleach neutralizing soap that we use that puts a waxy coating on everything and takes care of the surfaces that you're cleaning that might suffer from corrosion because some of the products we use are an alkaline product. And then on the back here, wow, we actually got a 5th, Jim's so proud of this, a 5th saddle tank on the back of the Phantom Shadow Pure Water Unit that has wood wash in it because Dallas-Fort Worth has a ton of wood fences and wood decks, and Jim's gonna do a ton of wood cleaning. This truck is beautiful, it's tight, it's safe. All of our skids come with a lifetime, did you hear that? A lifetime warranty to the original owner for all the aluminum substructure, all the structural aluminum, all the tanks have a lifetime warranty on it. The only thing that you have to take care of are wear items like hoses, pressure gauges, pumps, things like that. You know, like brakes on a car doesn't have a warranty because it's a wear item. But the stuff that's supposed to be here forever, we warranty forever. Hey, listen, if you want to have a great truck like this built for you, like we did for Jim here at Patriot SoftWash, give us a call, SoftWash Systems. The phone number's right here on the bottom of the screen. And as always, hey guys, go forth and prosper.